Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vbacus. Today I am here again with an amazing trick number 17. In this video, you will learn how to divide fraction numbers in seconds. It's a fast and very easy trick. 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 5 divided by 8 over 7. You have to follow the flow chart. Just see. 1 should be multiplied by 5, then by 7 and write as numerator. Then follow second flow chart. 4 should be multiplied by 3, then 8 and write as denominator. So this is your answer. It's very fast. So there is an assignment. You can solve this sum and write in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.